Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm Nicole Chantel, and if you like beauty videos, 31 days of Halloween, and Friday vlogs, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become part of my makeup family. With all that being said, let's jump right into this video. So hello my loves, today I have a drugstore haul and first impressions video for you guys. I recently picked up some products from the drugstore and I said let's change it up a bit. Let's show me applying the products as I'm talking about them and what do I really think of them. So I'm going to jump right into the products and show you guys what I purchased. So this first product here is the primer that I'm actually wearing underneath my foundation. This was the one that I'm really super excited for because it's very different and I haven't seen anything yet on the market like it. It is by Annabelle, and this one here is the Refreshing Perfecting Primer, and it's enriched with caviar lime pearl. So that's why this really caught my eye, because of the caviar lime pearl extract. So I did apply it to my face, and here it says apply the Refreshing Perfecting Primer in a thin layer on a previously hydrated skin. Wait a few seconds before applying the foundation so that the wear, the freshness, and the brightness of your makeup would be maximized. And this product is also paraben free and oil free as well. So I will have to say about this primer is that I loved how it applied to my skin. It was very nice and soft and smooth, and the lime really didn't bother me. Like sometimes with fragrances I get really sensitive and I get a headache, but this didn't bother me at all. The lime smell was only there for a few seconds and then it just faded away. I did wait for a few minutes before I went ahead and applied my foundation, but I really like the look that it's giving my foundation. This is a new foundation that I'm going to be talking about shortly, but I do like how this primer is making the foundation look. Very, very interesting. Really love this. And next is the Essence Fresh and Fit Awake Makeup Foundation that I purchased. Now this one here is the Healthy Glow with Vitamin Complex and Cranberry Water, and I did get mine in the shade number 10, which is Fresh Ivory. Now I will have to say that there was only like 3 or 4 other shades that I seen there on the display, so I don't even know if the shade range is really big. I also went online too as well to look to see, and the shade range is very, very small. So the shade range in this foundation is not the greatest, but I will have to say that how the foundation lies on my face is beautiful. And it says that this is a foundation that's a breathable texture with a wake up effect. Let your skin healthy glow. It contains complex of vitamins B3, E, and also B5 and cranberry water. Medium to high coverage without mask effect. So as you can tell, when I'm applying the foundation, it is going on really nice and smooth. I'm only applying it to one side of my face so you guys could see what the other side of my face looks like without foundation. Now, after I showed you that clip, I did go back in again and I did apply a second layer. So this is 2 layers of the foundation, and I will have to say that it doesn't give you a mask effect, that is for sure. I really like this beautiful kind of healthy glow dewy finish that I'm getting with this foundation, because I have been on the hunt for a foundation that won't look so cakey on my face, that will give me a beautiful glow and just look so soft and smooth. And this foundation is really, really nice. And it's also in a glass bottle, which is very interesting. It does has a pump as well, as you guys could tell, but the shade range in this is not the greatest. So let's hope that they do come out with more, because I really truly like how the foundation looks on my skin. So next is the eyeshadow palette that I purchased by Essence, and it's called Too Glam to Give a Damn, which I thought was really cute. Love the packaging as well. When I opened it up, I was like, aha, this looks identical to the MAC eyeshadow palettes. The layout does, that is for sure, because you have your face product right here and then you have your shadows right here as well. And I will have to say that they applied really nice. I did prime my eyes with my YSL concealer, and in here you're getting a total of 8 fabulous eyeshadows ranging from mattes to high impact effects, plus 1 highlighter. You can layer them or use them alone each and every day of the week. You decide the look. And as you could tell when I'm applying the shadows, they do blend really nice as well. I wanted to do something different. I really don't go for like gold tones or like these kind of turquoisey tones. You know me, I love purples, and as you could tell, I applied the purple onto my eyes as well, and I went ahead with the pink. After I applied the pink shadow, I did go in a second time and I just wet my brush with the Milani Make It Last setting spray just to make it pop a little tiny bit more. But I have to say that this eyeshadow palette is really, really beautiful. I do like the highlighter as well. I did go in underneath my brow bone just to pop in the highlighter, and then that pop of yellow. That yellow is beautiful. I just wanted to do something super, super different, and I just really love it. The quality of the shadows are really beautiful as well. They're really gorgeous, really pretty. All in all, a really nice little palette, and in this palette you're getting a total of 11 grams, which is 0.38 ounces, and it does have a life of 18 months. So really, really cute. They also had another one there as well, and I think it was called To the Moon and Back, or it was some name like that, but these were the shades that I gravitated towards the most, and I really like the eye look that I created. The quality of the shadows blended really nice. There was no fallout. I'm really impressed with this palette. So I went ahead and I purchased the Essence, and this is the Lash Princess Mascara. This is the volume mascara. Really love the packaging on it as well. The packaging is super, super cute. I've heard so many people here on YouTube rave about this mascara. I really liked how the mascara applied. Love the wand on the brush as well. It built up really, really nice. It made my lashes look super, super full. As you could tell when I'm showing you as I'm applying it, how it looked like just to apply to one set of lashes compared to my other set, and then the finished look completed. It looks really, really gorgeous. Really love this. I could see why so many people rave about this mascara. Let me know in the comments down below if you have this mascara or if you have any of the other Lash Princess mascaras by Essence. So you all know that I'm really not a big fan of lip liners, but I seen this one. I was like, ooh, I love the color of it. And it's a gel lip liner, so that even kind of caught my eye even more. And it is by Wet n Wild, and it's the first gel lip liner. That's what it's called. Crayon contour, and this here is in the shade Never Petal Down, and here it is right here in the packaging. The packaging is really, really beautiful. As you know, that Wet n Wild is cruelty free, which is great. So if you guys are all about cruelty free makeup, this is the lip liner for you. This shade is super, super beautiful, and it glided onto my lips really, really nice. There was no tugging onto my lips. It just glided on so super soft, really nice and creamy, very beautiful gel formula. And I really, really do like this lip liner. I love the fact that it also rolls up as well. I would just roll it up a tiny little bit. You don't want to roll it up too much because it will definitely crack off. But I really, really do like the formula of this gel lip liner. So you all know that I love matte lipsticks, but this one here is something a little bit different, and it is by Hard Candy, and it's called All Matte Up, and it's a hydrating lip stain. This is in the shade Stix and Stones. I really love that shade. Love this beautiful kind of mauve tone that it's giving my lips. It glided on so super beautiful. Really, really comfortable for a matte formula hydrating lip stain. Really pigmented as well. All around, I just love this mauve tone lip that this color is giving me. Also, these are wind up as well, which is great, so you don't have to sharpen them. So I really, really like this. Very different, that is for sure. Super, super comfortable. And as I'm talking, it really never like moved around at all whatsoever. Once I applied it, it just stayed there on my lips. Now, I said I would show you what I finished off my face with. I did purchase this here before Christmas, and it is by Quo. You could purchase it at your local Shoppers Drug Mart, but I really don't know if they still have it, but I said I would show you anyways because it is a drugstore haul. And I just contoured my face with this palette and applied the blush. And this is the Quo, and it's For the Love of Makeup palette. This is quite a big makeup palette, like bigger than my head. So anyways, you have your powders here, you have your contour, your blushes, and your shadows. And this is the contour shade here that I used. I did go in with this beautiful mauve tone blush. Really love the contour shade in this, and as well as the blush as well. Really great quality. I'm after using the shadows in this palette, and I have to say they were absolutely beautiful as well. They blend really, really gorgeous. But this was a Christmas palette, so I really don't know if you're able to get it in store at Shoppers or probably online at the Shoppers Beauty Boutique. You could definitely check it out, but if so, I will definitely have the link down below for you guys to check it out if it is still available. So you guys, that's it for my drugstore haul and first impressions video. Let me know in the comments down below if you like this style video where I'm showing you products that I recently purchased and giving you a first impression, showing you little clips of me applying the products. Also, let me know, what is your favorite drugstore product? Do you love Essence? Do you love Annabelle? Do you love hard candy? Let me know in those comments down below. And out of all the products that I purchased, I really love the Annabelle Primer. So if you can get your hands on that, definitely go to your local Walmart and pick that up. And I really love the Essence foundation, but let's hope that they do come out with more shades in that foundation because it's an absolute beautiful foundation. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.